The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your family doctor before using any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Friends, today we shall learn some important symptoms of medicine Elaps corallinus. Medicine Elaps corallinus is similar to other snake poisons generally. Elaps is distinguished from the other serpent venoms by the preeminent blackness of its discharges and hemorrhages. Black earwax has very marked black discharges. Cold things disagree. Desire for sweetened buttermilk, nausea and vomiting, prostrating diarrhea of consumption, acidity of stomach with faint feeling, sudden pain in stomach, spasm of esophagus, pharynx constricted, food and liquids suddenly arrested and then fall heavily into stomach, spasms followed by paresis, cold feeling in stomach. Fruits and ice water lie very cold. Fruit and cold drinks lie like ice on stomach and cause a cold feeling in chest. Right-sided paralysis, must have oscillatory motion, rheumatic constitutions, ear, nose and throat symptoms important, mind, depression of spirits, desire for solitude, fear of being left alone as if something horrible might happen, depressed, imagines he hears someone talking, dreads to be left alone, fear of rain, can speak but cannot understand speech, fears apoplexy, head, sensation as if all the blood were collected in head, violent headache extending from forehead to occiput, first one eye, then the other, violent pain in the vertex in the afternoon, as if the brain were shaking, with nausea which prevents her from keeping the head quiet. Pain in ears, vertigo with tendency to fall forward, weight and pain in forehead, fullness in head, eyes, aversion to light, letters run together when reading, veil before eyes, burning in lids, bloated around the eyes in the morning, large red fiery spot before eyes. When closing the eyes, everything looks red, dotted with black points. Desire to close the eyes. Ears, cerumen black and hard, with difficult hearing, or serous greenish discharge, offensive, buzzing and illusion of hearing. Sudden attack of nightly deafness with roaring and cracking in ears on swallowing. Intolerable itching in ear. Nose, chronic nasal catarrh with fetid odor and greenish crusts. Vagina, yellowish green discharge. Mucous membrane wrinkled. Nostrils plugged up with dry mucus, pains from nose to ears on swallowing, nostrils stopped up, nasal bleeding, pain at root of nose, eruption about nose, throat, thick, very offensive, dry greenish yellow crust upon the posterior pharyngeal wall, and extremely foul breath. Spasmodic contraction of esophagus passage of fluids arrested. Chest, coldness in chest after drinking. Hemorrhage from lungs, black as ink and watery. Stitches in apex of right lung. Fainting caused by stooping. Oppression in going up stairs. Peeling off of skin from palms and fingers. Cough with a terrible pain through lungs. Worse right and expectoration of black blood. Sensation of a sponge in esophagus. Stomach feels cold. Sensation as if food turned like a cork screw on swallowing. Desire for sweetened buttermilk. Acidity after every mouthful. Discharge of black liquid from bowels and at stool, with colic and sensation as if the bowels were twisted. Prolapsus any. Constriction of the sphincter after bloody stool. Men, impotence. Female, dysmenorrhea with black blood. Discharge of black blood between menses. Itching of vulva and vagina. Prurituspudendi. Sleep, dreams about dead persons. Skin, glands and skin of axilla affected. Itching with tetter. Tips of fingers peel off. Itching eruption in axilla. Extremities, icy cold feet. Vesicular eruption on feet. Arms and hands swollen bluish. Knee joints feel sprained. Pricking under the nails, fever, cold perspiration all over, typhoid when ulcers have eaten into the tissues and black blood is discharged. Worse eating fluid, worse from cold drinks, worse in wet weather. The rheumatic pains begin on the left side. Fainting with vomiting of mucus or on stooping. A change of position is painful. Dose 6 to 30 potency and higher. यदि जानकारी उपयोगी लगी हो तो कृपया वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। घंटी का बटन दबाएं ताकि अगले वीडियो की सूचना आपको मिल जाए। कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर बताएं कि आप होम्योपैथी में क्या जानना चाहते हैं। मैं उस विषय पर वीडियो बनाने का प्रयास करूंगा। चैनल को अधिकतम लोगों के लिए उपयोगी बनाने के लिए अपने सुझाव लिखें। वीडियो को धैर्यपूर्वक अंत तक देखने के लिए आभार और धन्यवाद। Homeopathy, safer and superior medicine. Use homeopathy, stay healthy and improve your immunity.